Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device down and exposing the sensor. Gently clean with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of isopropyl. This removes oils that block readings. Use compressed air to dislodge grit around the edge and visually check for scratches or loose bezel. If the sensor sits unevenly, make sure you have the right screwdriver to open the panel. Once done, you'll be ready to decide whether simple cleaning suffices or a deeper fix is required. You'll carefully open the device and locate the fingerprint module and its flex cable. Disconnect power and ground yourself to avoid static damage, then inspect connectors for corrosion or loose pins. Reseating often restores contact. If the sensor glass or module is cracked or unresponsive, replace it with an identical part. Matching model numbers matters. Reapply adhesive and route the cable exactly as before. Once reassembled, the hardware should be ready for recalibration and software steps. After reassembly, boot and remove old fingerprint profiles so you can start clean. You should enroll multiple impressions at different angles and pressures because the sensor learns patterns more reliably with variety. Make sure the OS and any biometric firmware are up to date. Updates often fix recognition bugs. If errors persist, run built-in diagnostics or replace with a known good module to isolate hardware versus software issues. If you still can't solve it, seek a professional repair. Don't force connectors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.